Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be introducing to what we call CSS, cascading style sheet. So before we can do that, you need to rank your exams and you need to make your HTML work be on the flow. So I'm gonna be cancel this. So for you to do that, I wanna introduce you to HTML and CSS cascading style sheet. It is basically what we use to style our HTML code. So for me to style my HTML code, which is H1, for me to style H1, which is hello world. So if I save this, then I right click, I open in the web browser, I should be seeing the hello world. Also, the font family is not purple. The font family is not looking beautiful. The font family is not looking. It'll be making sense. So, for us to do that, I need to call in CSS for this for this H1. And for me to do that, there is something we call container. We have to be linking. We have to link our CSS code to our HTML code. Whereby we have to call the body and the H1. The H1 is an HTML tag and the body 2 is an HTML tag. So for you to introduce CSS, you need to come to your head path, then you come to style, then after clicking on style, then whole. If you don't want to start typing all these long text, you can delete them and just put style. So those type of style. Then what you want to call now, you want to call in the body, which is this. We are telling you that whatever is in the body name H1 should have the following properties. So this parenthesis is telling us about this parenthesis over here is telling us more about the properties. So what we're really doing is style CSS now is the what we call in the body, which is this. So whatever named H1 in the body should have this property. So we want to change the color to red. Then we're gonna change the font family. There is always a font family I make use of, comments on MS. So in cases you are looking for font families, you can come to WordPad, or if you don't want to come to WordPad, you can come to CorelDRAW, then click on one of them, then you click on, if you have the CorelDRAW software, so you click on insert, then you change the font size, then there are billions and millions of font sizes you want, anyone you want. So let's say we want this. So if I type anything here, so let's select this font size. So if I click on S, then I return back to my HTML code, then I pull the font size name over here. So I do color. That means I want to tell my H1, whatever is in between my H1 color should be at red. And we always end our code with a semicolon in using HTML and using CSS. Then the font family is trying to tell us more. It's trying to tell us more of this, because this is gonna explain what font family and font size is for. So if I actually click on save, then I head back to my code. So if I refresh that, then it should be seeing what we just transformed this into. So now if the thirst is looking a little bit shallower, like it's looking a little bit smaller, I want to show you one of my sites. So if I click on localhost, then strength in then page PHP. So you can take a look at the way this is written bold. So if you want to do ours to be written bold, we need to call in the CSS property of font sizes. So sorry, font size. So if you click on font size, we can put it at 100 pixels. Then we end it with semicolon. So in CSS, we instead of using centimeter or kilogram or meter or anything, mix of pixel in HTML. So mix of pixel in HTML, pixel or percentage. So any one of the choice you want, you can select. So let's consider that. So if you click on save, then it's on your pixel. Then if you refresh your page, so you see how big it is. So that was just a quick introduction to HTML CSS code. So make sure you like and subscribe to my other video. Love you guys.